Today we'll be working on the Lexus again, so it is ready for paint. Bumper's primered, hood is primered. We have the fender that is primered. I found a body shop. It'll be going there in about 2 weeks. I'm still missing some parts, but I'm waiting for them to arrive by the mail. Today I will be replacing the hood struts on the hood because I've got whacked in the head when the hood's been up, and that's no fun. I have the parts, so I'll be putting those in. I'll be buffing out the headlights so they're a little bit clearer, and I have new high beam bulbs and fog light bulbs that I'll be doing today, along with taking off the grille, possibly the bumper. I have a plastic welder kit that I'll be welding some of the plastic that is broken off back to its original shape to hopefully be able to use it. So that's what we've got on the docket today, and let's get started. So this is my original grille from the accident. I wasn't going to replace it because it's just minor cosmetic stuff for the most part. On the back here, the grille was cracked along this edge, and there was also this attachment point was cracked, but mainly it was right here where the grille was cracked. So I'm using this plastic welding thing, which is basically like a soldering iron that you place these little pegs in, and then you just touch it to the plastic. It burns a hole straight through, and then you can either use the included snips that they give you, which I've used just for the plastic shield, and you can already see the teeth are screwed up, like the teeth are broken just from these small pegs. So I've been using my Ryobi rotary tool with the cutoff wheel just to cut them flush, and then that's been going pretty well, except they fly all over the place. But yeah, the grille's almost done, and then it'll be headlight time. So I noticed right here in the quarter panel, the car is scratched up, taillight is scratched up. We're gonna see if I can buff that out. Just since I was doing the headlights anyways, might as well just finish off before packing up. It's not perfect, you can still see, but a lot better than it was. So yeah, on the body you can see there's a dent over here too, so. But on the taillight, that scratch is completely gone. Huh. I'll be done. Scratch gone. New dent.